Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off YouTube comments and also how to block a specific word in your comment section. Open YouTube Studio. At the left bottom corner, click on settings, then click on community and moderation. Here, the first option, comments on new videos and posts. If you want to turn them off, you can simply select the off. If you want to turn them on, then there is another option called moderation. Here by default selected is basic, which means that hold potentially inappropriate comments. You can look for other two and apply as per your needs. Second, message in your live chat. You can also disable them, and also you can change their moderation to basic. Similarly, you can apply the same settings on your post in your community. And at last, block words. If you put any word, that particular word, if someone types on your YouTube video, it wouldn't be appear under your video comment section. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.